What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be installing these door seals in my 2002 SVT Lightning, and we'll see how they go. Alright, to do this there's a series of rubber covers that I have to take off, and behind them, I probably can't see them, but there's little plastic pins in here that I have to squeeze out. So I'm going to do that. So I've already taken two covers off. There's one way over here. I have not seen anybody do these on YouTube, because I did not know how to take these out. I'm going to figure this out. Pins are a little hard to push together. Really, to squeeze them, not hard to squeeze, but push through the hole. I have my door open too. Okay, that's one. Probably pull this one through. I want to be kind of delicate just in case I don't like the door sills I'm putting on. I want to put these back or just to save them. Trying to be easy. That should not be tough. That's another one. Let's see if I can move these. Alright, so I finally got this one behind this one. And so I just kept squeezing it together. There's two pins. I just kept squeezing them, and that wasn't working. And so I eventually just took the pins and took the pliers and pushed it underneath the bottom pin and, like, I guess kind of try to force it in the hole, and it came out. So now I got like one or two left. So we'll see how this works. I gotta find them first. Let's see. I think I have one left. Okay, that came out. Heck yeah. So now we got the pliers stuck. Alright, so now I got the door sill out. I'm going to put my new ones in. First I'm going to take some soap and water and wash that dirt off. Okay, so these forged carbon door seals, I bought these off a guy on Facebook Lightning groups, and they were just hollow. The SVT logo was, and I took a polished stainless plate, had it cut, and I just glued it to it, so it kind of has a mirror finish. Should match my forged. All right, let's see. I have my Griot's polisher. I'm gonna try. I have some Rupes pads. I got a high cut and a ultra fine. I'm debating if I just want to use the ultra fine, but I feel like I'd probably need to do high cut since it is kind of rough looking scratches. And then I have ultra cut compound McGuire's 105 and 205 ultra finishing, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, that's a little bit better. It's a little bit better. I don't know how clear I'm gonna get it. Man, I don't know if I should try one more time. Maybe I could. Alright, I'm gonna stick these suckers on here. close look. Look too bad. Okay, it is installed. Not too bad. Not too bad, I don't think. It really goes with the forged carbon steering wheel, so I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. I don't know if it's too ricey or not, so. Alright, now time to do the other side, but pretty much the same thing. So, I gotta put these caps in and I'm done. So, well, thank you guys.